You want me there too?
Yeah, go to the fucking GMP.
Russian troops in Makiivka were having a party for New Year's Eve. This is one of their last pictures before HIMARS missiles wiped them and another 600 Russian soldiers out. This brand new Russian T-90M PRORYV-3 with Nikitka thermal camouflage is burning somewhere in the Luhansk region. Allegedly a Swedish delivered AT4, unit costs $1,480, has been used to knock it out. $5 million in Russian taxpayer money gets smoked. Kharkiv offensive. Recon into Russian positions. Soldiers of the International Legion next to the destroyed Russian BMP-2M. GoPro is from soldier who took out the BMP-2M with MLAW.
You want me there too?
Yeah, go to the fucking GMP.
Road is empty. I hope there's no one in there. Road is clear. Go, 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 go.
No, I know, but you want us to have security on the road, right? We can hold it from this compound with more cover.
While Russia loses billions at war, Skabayeva is worried about losses at British brothels. Apparently train strikes led to losing profits for them.
А вот в Британии забастовки железнодорожников привели в том числе к тому, что британские проститутки впервые не могут дождаться своих клиентов, которые попросту не могут добраться до жриц любви. Электрички не ходят. Поэтому каждый английский бордель с 3 января уже потерял от 30 до 70 тысяч фунтов стерлингов. Бедные.
Ukrainian attack on Russian ammunition dump in the area of Soledar. It's reportedly the 4th dump in the area destroyed today.
Ой-ой-ой-ой-ой, бляха-муха, чуть-чуть! Не той двір! Ой, добре! Давай ще! Трошечки, щоб здетонувало. Курва, блядь, 5 метрів. Давай, зроби їм будряка. Єс! Єс, єбав, блядь!
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.